It's a good experience. It's a good opportunity to work with open source communities. I wanted my mentees to have real-world experience and to work on projects that are actually going to be used by myself and others in the industry.
The mentors were very helpful, and I was able to reach out to them at any point.
I'm really excited about the opportunity for students and individuals working on RISC-V to participate in our mentorship program. It's one of the best opportunities for them to have hands-on learning experiences that allows them to solve real-world problems.
It's a luxury for me to be able to have my project worked on by arguably some of the more talented people that have an interest or a passion towards RISC-V.
After I got acceptance, it boosted my confidence to stay in this domain, like computer architecture and RISC-V. So it was a great change for me.
Not only do you get this great mentorship from experts in the field of RISC-V, but you also get paid. We have these opportunities running in fall, spring, and summer. Apply now to be a mentee for our next program.